In scenes that aired in tonight's EastEnders, a leaflet for a spa dropped into Phil Mitchell, which lead the hard man of the EastEnders cast pondering about his privates. Sharon read through the pamphlet, telling her husband, "Spas are for blokes too, you know." You can get 20% off a back, sack and crack wax today. As a shocked Phil looked on, Sharon added, "I'm being serious. You need to open yourself up to all possibilities." Relax, look after yourself and your mind and body. Phil snapped back, "If I wanted to ponce around, I'd do it in here for free." EastEnders fans took to Twitter to express their shock at the idea of Phil getting his nether region scene too. "Phil Mitchell having a back, crack and sack is not an image I want in my head," said one fan. Another added, "Phil having a back, sack and crack faced? Imagine that." A third sickened fan shared a gif of someone vomiting, before adding, "That made me feel ill." It was an innuendo-fueled episode of EastEnders tonight, with fans also repulsed when Carmel Kazemi, Bonnie Langford, had sex with Max Branning, Jake Wood. "That beats a fish finger sandwich any day," she saucily told him, with many fans linking her comments to a crude sexual act. Elsewhere in Albert Square, Mick Carter, Danny Dyer, was left heartbroken when his plan to renew his vows with wife Linda, Kelly Bright, backfired. The Queen Vic landlady was nowhere to be seen as he searched the pub. Has Linda left Walford for good?